I created Jupiter because our team saw that there was a frustration in the way that we search for and order parts, and specifically the maintenance field. So in terms of when you're at home, if you need something, you go on the internet, you can see where it's located at different stores, or if they don't have what you want, you can always order it online using things like Amazon.com, Target, Walmart. You have all sorts of options out there. This is something that we wanted to bring to the Air Force so that we can lessen the gap in our technology between when you're at home and when you're serving in the Air Force accomplishing the mission. So what Jupiter is a easy, simple, quick method of tracking and ordering Air Force supplies for both maintenance career fields and really any career field out there that orders supplies on a routine basis. Eventually, when Jupiter is installed on every desktop and tablet that we use in the maintenance world, we'll be able to go in and look at what supplies we have in our inventory, as well as we'll be able to search other stockpiles and other work centers to see if they might possibly have what we need, which is a huge upgrade to the system that we're using now. And then on top of that, if you can't find what you need locally, you can easily click order and it sends it right to supply. Traditionally, the system that we've used in the past, if someone asks you to order supplies or parts, if you're lucky enough, your section might have some sort of Excel spreadsheet with what you have in stock. You still have to go do research using your TOs and WebFliss or PubFliss, but we thought that was too slow, so what we've done is Jupiter integrates with these entities, and so it's bringing in all of this data for the user. And so at the click of a button, you have all of the information that you need. For example, if your supervisor or someone asks you to order new pens for your office, traditionally you would look at a long Excel type sheet of stock numbers and part numbers, and it would just kind of be a guess game at what you're ordering. Now we're bringing a more Amazon-like experience with Jupiter, where you open it up, search for what you want, choose it and hit submit, and then it's done. So our job as maintainers is to keep aircraft like these flying and ready to perform the mission at a moment's notice. Here's how Jupiter supports the mission. Imagine we need to fly, but we can't because we're waiting parts. Jupiter helps alleviate this sort of situation from arising by using predictability, analytics, and forecasting to make sure that we have the right parts in stock when we need them. I'm Tech Sergeant Trump, and this is Project Jupiter.